Tips to get pregnant fast. 1. Make sure you are ovulating. The most effective way to get pregnant is to have intercourse during your most fertile period, which is typically during ovulation. You can track your ovulation by keeping a record of your menstrual cycle, using an ovulation predictor kit, or by tracking your basal body temperature. 2. Have sex regularly. Having sex at least every other day, during your fertile window, increases your chances of getting pregnant. 3. Make sure the timing is right. Sperm can live inside the female body for up to 5 days, so timing intercourse around ovulation can increase the chances of conception. 4. Eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in folic acid, calcium, and iron can help promote fertility. Exercise regularly, but be sure to not overdo it, as excessive exercise can actually reduce fertility. 5. Limit caffeine and alcohol consumption. Too much caffeine and alcohol can reduce fertility, so try to limit your consumption. 6. Reduce stress. Stress has been linked to reduced fertility, so learning how to manage your stress can help increase your chances of getting pregnant. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.